Hi everyone. So today we have Pioneer KE-3080SDK. It's from 1980s, from late 1980s, and we did manage to install the Bluetooth in this one also. We kept everything original look. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? Okay, let's try forward. Perfect. Now backwards. Now good. Now reverse mode. Works just fine. Okay, let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are working perfect, just camera don't focus for some reason, but everything looks okay to me. Now, in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to switch the radio mode to, I think it's long waves or middle waves, I don't remember. So just press the button band for a couple times. Now it's middle waves, which means the Bluetooth is activated on the radio. Now we go to our cell phone, go to Bluetooth, wait a couple seconds, and here it is. That's it, Bluetooth is activated. Now we'll go to YouTube and play any music we want. Cool, right? Let's try another song. It's very simple to use. When you want to back to your normal regular radio, simply press the band button and go back to FM mode. That's it. Now you're on radio again. Cool, right? Thumbs up.